I would just like to say thank you so much. As mentioned by our host, Honor has achieved heights and milestones this year. At guys, notably on our presence in digital spaces and social media, kayo yun guys. Tonight, allow our team to express our heartfelt thanks to all. Simulan ko ang mga awards tonight and helping us with this week. So, maraming salamat sa inyong lahat. The following individuals and publications have exceptionally high volume of social media posts for and with honor. Please again, you've made your presence felt. With your help, you've spread the news of honor and helped us achieve this great heights. Each awardee that I will announce will receive plaque and cash incentives as tokens of our appreciation. Alright, so let me call on the awardees for the most number of social media posts. Alright, first and foremost, for the most number of social media posts, and for always posting. Please welcome and give a round of applause to with Larissa Garcia. Someone who always posts and makes a mark. Please welcome and give a round of applause for the most number of social media posts for the second call for Alan Barracena. Signature post naman dyan.
Alam ako.
Yes. Next, let me call on someone who always posts. The most number of social media posts for number 3, Ryan Bugwis.